Welcome to CNP Math.
You know, I'm friends with 25 letters of the alphabet. I don't know why. Huh? Yeah, okay. Welcome back to another edition of CNP Math. I'm one of your hosts, Mr. P. Today, moving on to chapter 11. Once, uno, uno, one and one, double sticks, chapter 11. We got lesson 1. Our learning target, students will be able to find the range in a set of numbers. That's the key word for the day, range. The range is going to be the maximum or the biggest number subtracted by the minimum or the smallest number. So if we look at a set of numbers like so, you need to identify two things before you can find the range. First thing, you need to identify what the maximum number is. What is the biggest number in this set right here? Of course, the biggest number is 32. Now we need to identify the smallest number or the minimum and subtract that from our maximum. If you look at this set of numbers, the smallest number or the minimum is going to be 5. So we are going to take 5 and subtract it from 32. Now we can just go right ahead and subtract like we know how to do. Can't subtract there, so we are going to borrow and regroup. 12 minus 5 is going to give us 7, and 2 minus nothing is 2. So that means our maximum number of 32 subtracted by our minimum number of 5, and our range would be 27. All right, let's check out the next set of numbers. Remember, to find the range, you got to find the maximum number or the biggest. You also need to find the smallest number or the minimum. The maximum or the biggest number in this set of numbers would be 62. We are going to subtract that by the smallest set or the minimum. The smallest number is 1. 62 minus 1. That's going to go ahead and that's going to give us 61. So the range would be 61. All right, on to our last set of numbers. We got to make sure when finding the range, you find that biggest number and that smallest number. In this set of numbers, it looks like our maximum number, our biggest number, is 104. Now, we need to make sure when finding the range, we are subtracting it by the minimum. So we got to find the minimum number. That's 11. So we're going to subtract 11. 4 minus 1 is 3. 10 minus 1 is, in fact, 9. So our range would be 93. And there you have it. That is lesson 1 of chapter 11, finding the range. The range is the maximum or the biggest number, and we subtract the minimum or the smallest number to find out the range. Have a great day.